Today I'll be exploring the Little India right here in Singapore. So let's have a small tour here. The nearest MRT subway is Little India. And there's hawker center on the right side. I'm right here at the former house of Tantania. It's the last surviving Chinese villa in Little India. So here is a very colorful kind of building, good for photography, taking photos, Instagram. And let's try opening the window. Look at the amazing architecture. Of course, in Little India, there are lots of street food. India, you can try it. There are Chinese foods written on the door. And some colorful decorations. I think there are actually people staying inside because the door is open and I see some of the staircase here. There's actually an address here. Maybe they sell some stuff there. There's another building beside the Tantania, which has also quite a beautiful windows. Some handphone shops and the Indian eateries. There's an Indian restaurant here. Wow, there's staircase leading up. Now check out what street food they have here. Let's go. Before that, just take a look at how much vegetable cooking oil they use every single day. I see coconuts. And this is a street food of India. The Badai Samosa, Batam Milk Tea Bhaji, Churasari, or Pizza Just Brew right in front of us. More street food, curry. The handphone shop here. I see some of the second-hand handphones being sold here, the iPhones. Wow, and this will be the Chandler route. Next we move on to a famous temple right in front with the red and white walls. It's a Sipat Sri Lakshminarayan temple on the left side. So right here we are at the temple entrance, and I saw some devotees inside. They are praying now. And opposite, there are a lot of Indian restaurants, some kind of cafes, Madras coffee house. And no need, they also sell the sweets and snacks. This building is quite special because in the center it looks like an eye inside. There's a tattoo shop as well and doing the haircut. Many tourists come here as part of their tour plans. If you guys want to explore, you can buy some of the Indian garlands flowers. And there's a traditional Indian sari. There are also the wall frames and portraits of the Indian gods, the Ganesha and more. There's a hotel called Little India Check-in with the beautiful white and black windows. And then on the left side, there are some colorful buildings, and below there's a kind of pub. 63 Kerbau Road. The pink and white windows. And just next to the subway, there are all these interesting cow murals. You heard it right, it's a cow. It's a brown cow, blue cow, pink cow, purple cow, gold cow, yellow cow, and the top there are 3 lovely cows. This is an Indian supermarket. at Buffalo Road, Block 661. They sell vegetable, fruits, inside some drinks, snacks. And guess what? They even accept the CDC voucher. These are some of the fruits. 1 kilo, $9. It's just amazing how many kind of fruits they have here. And guess what? The coconut from India has some hairy furry stuff here. Anyway, if you guys like the video, can consider subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and share the video so that more people can also get to see this video. And thank you very much here. So this is part of Little India Heritage Trail. There are also lots of stuff to see from Merdeka Market, lots of temple, malls and church. The nearest exit will be exit E for England to the place I went to just now. And now I'm making my way to the subway, Little India station.